This week, we're spending all of our time getting ready for our 100K live event this Sunday, so I'm going to blitz through the power tool news. Hold on to your butts. This is your Power Tool Week in Review. Today's episode is brought to you by OhioPowerTool, Pro Tools, Pro Service at the best prices at OhioPowerTool.com. And Ego, power beyond belief. Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob, and I'm in a huge hurry. As I mentioned, our 100K live show is this Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and as of right now, we have tool prizes, some of which are huge kits, from Hart, DeWALT, Ryobi, Skill, Ego, Flex, Milwaukee, Bosch, Diablo, Makita, and even Hilti. We've got a 100-pound sterling gift card, that's like 137 Freedom Beans, from the good folks at Hayes Machinery for one lucky UK viewer, and $2,000 in gift cards from OhioPowerTool. And we're going to give it all away. We're going to play some high-stakes trivia with ManCaverTools, Philly Fixed, Lockdown Scott Brown, Den of Tools, Tool Review Zone, MarkThomasBuilder, the Kite Army, Doorsoom, and even the disembodied hands of both TorqueTestChannel and Tools and Stuff. It's going to be big, guys, so with that said, I'm going to burn through the news so I can get back to learning how to live stream. Let's go. First up, Red wandered out of his den of tools with some truly sad news this week. After foraging around the web, he confirmed that Porter Cable has canceled their entire line of routers. I haven't told my dad this yet because as a woodworker with 8 Porter Cable routers himself, I'm not sure he can take it. The Torque Dino Jocks grabbed the Ingersoll Rand W7152 to see if it's the hardest hitting half-inch impact ever. Dave over at ManCaverTools showed off his custom Milwaukee PACKOUT Emergency Kit, which he figures we all should have. Robillard over at Toolbox Buzz got a new version of a Werner extension ladder called the Glide Safe, which includes a spring-loaded support system, making it entirely easier to raise and lower. Something my 28-foot Werner does not have, which is why it's so scary. I don't like ladders, but I do love heights. So I'm gonna have to check out the Glide Safe. Nate at Doorsoom is playing with KNipex pliers that have a really freaking cool trick that makes them strong enough to flatten the washer. Well, I mean, flatter than it already is. Bill at the SparkyChannel took his own turn with the new DeWALT 12-volt Max DCS 512 that we've seen reviewed elsewhere.
I love this little saw. Finally.
I'm sorry, Bill. I normally love your commentary, but I'm kind of in a hurry today. Lauren over at OhioPowerTool took a closer look at the 2 recently announced fish tapes from Milwaukee, which end up being just as cool as their old tapes. Vince found a small family-owned company that makes a mod for his rolling packout that makes the handle removable, so now that he can fit it under his tonneau cover. Although it doesn't end up working very well, but fortunately the manufacturer jumps into the comments with some slight mods you can make to their mod to make it all work. That sentence actually makes sense. Just go watch it. And finally, Mr. Mark Thomas grabbed my attention with 4 pressure washer attachments, mainly because Hart just sent us a new pressure washer, and I didn't realize that attachments was something besides the 4 that came with it. But as it turns out, you can do all kinds of cool stuff with a pressure washer that I had no idea existed, like the ability to clear out a drain pipe, which I'm definitely doing. He even used one to bore a tunnel under his sidewalk and install a PVC sleeve for running cable with a pressure washer. Go watch that too. Now I have to get back to work on our live show. Again, it's this Sunday, September 12th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to have Shane from Construction Junkie directing, James from Hayes Machinery in the UK doing some moderating. A ton of fun guests are going to play some trivia with us that results in you winning gift cards and tools. We're going to be launching our new production crew program that will give you a chance to influence what videos make it on our show each week and even get your name in our credits. We're going to celebrate the Power Tool community, and we really hope you join us. Last week, we turned Milwaukee's 87 new SKUs into tools, because I'm a jerk, which you can watch right here. I want to thank Ego and OhioPowerTool for sponsoring this episode. Guys, we couldn't do it without you. If you liked this episode, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, we hope you subscribe. Have a safe weekend, and I'll see you this Sunday.